am at Greenery Market. We just got here, so let's go meet them. Oh my gosh. From the minute you step in the door, ribbon chaos. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Lana from Greenery
Market.
Hello. Oh my gosh, can I just give him a quick little tour?
Absolutely. Give a tour.
Yes. Ribbons falling off the shelves.
Fun around here.
That's just part of the fun. It's saying, buy me. That is so funny. Okay, all right. I'm like, y'all, look at this ribbon. Is this not, look at this. Oh my gosh, the 4 inch ribbon is some over here. How fun. Oh my gosh. This makes me want to make. Gets creative. Ooh. Love that ribbon. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. So we've got ribbon over here. Let's go see what else we got. All of this ribbon. And this is, it looks like, we got signs and stuff. This is what she told me I'm supposed to take home in my suitcase. Here is another look. Ribbon, and then signs, more ribbon. We've got signs. Look at this. Wow. Oh my gosh. These are kits for our swag class, our holiday swag class. We did about 14 total kits this in 2 days. Ooh, oh my gosh. Ooh, I didn't see these before. Wouldn't this look pretty in a winter swag or wreath? Those are so beautiful. I can see that in a frozen themed wreath or something like that. Oh my gosh. Some more 4-inch ribbon over here. Beautiful ribbon. More signs. And here is the room. And then behind me, it looks like a break room. And then we've got an office over there. Let's go see what's downstairs. Hold on, I better move a box. Oh my goodness, more. So, we've got some, look at these. We got some fall greenery, fall eucalyptus. We've got some picks, Christmas, roses, greenery, and it just keeps going. Look at that. Ooh, I love that. Lots of things. And let's go to the back and see. Oh, we got more. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Flocked, non-flocked, glittered, candy, whimsical. Look at these pumpkins. More glitter, ornament balls. We got curly cues, more boho stuff. Look at that. Yum. Those look cute. Ooh, and they go really pretty with that. What else do we have? So there's another aisle back there. Look at these. Jingle bell sprays. Pine cone picks. Boxes. This is the shipping area. Let's go see what's outside. Here is outside. Let's see, we got some trailers out here with more shipping, more stuff. Look at this. Y'all, all of this has got full of flowers and greenery and ribbon. That was a tour of Greenery Market. So what do you think? Oh my gosh. lots of good things. We made a lot of kits while I was here. So I had fun a lot in 2 days time. But man, y'all, if you want to check it out, go to greenerymarket.com and see what they have for sale. greenerymarket.com.